Assembly of changing the color of a RGB LED. Components required: NodeMCU, IC7805 voltage regulator, 220 ohm resistor, RGB LED, 9 volt battery snapper and a breadboard. First of all, place the RGB on the breadboard. The long leg of the RGB is the ground and the rest are the colored pins. So place the RGB on the breadboard. We will place the voltage regulator on the breadboard. Now connect the first pin of the RGB to pin D1 of the NodeMCU. Then the second pin to the D2 pin of the NodeMCU, and the fourth pin to the D3 pin of the RGB, and then take a 220 ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the ground pin of the RGB, connect the other terminal of the resistor anywhere on the breadboard, and from there take a male to female wire and connect it to the ground pin of the NodeMCU. Now take the battery snapper, connect it positive to the V-in pin of the voltage regulator and the negative to the ground pin of the voltage regulator. Then take two jumper wires, male to female, connect the V-out pin from the voltage regulator to the V-in pin of the NodeMCU, or you can connect the ground pin of the voltage regulator to the ground pin of the NodeMCU, or you can connect the NodeMCU directly with the USB cable to power it. So this is the assembly. Configuration of the Blynk Cloud for the changing the color of RGB LED. First of all, open the Blynk website and then click on templates. Click on new templates and give the template name as RGB. Then the hardware as ESP8266, connection type as Wi-Fi, and then click on done. The new template is created. Now we will create the data stream. So click on data stream, click on new data stream and select digital. So the first data stream we are going to create is for the red color pin. So type red here. The red pin is connected to the D1 pin of the NodeMCU. So the D1 pin has the GPIO pin as 5. So here in the pin you select 5. And then the pin mode as output. Then click on create. So the first data stream for the red color pin is created. Now we will create another data stream for the green. So for green, give the name as green. The pin is the second pin which is connected to D2 pin, and for D2 pin the GPIO pin number is 4. So select 4 here and then click on give the pin mode as output and then click on create. Then again lastly we will create a data stream for the blue color pin. For the blue color pin, so type blue here, and since the fourth pin, that is for the blue color, is connected to the D3 pin of the NodeMCU, so we will select 0 as the GPIO pin number is 0 for D4 pin, and the pin mode as output and then click on create. So we have created the 3 data streams for the 3 pin, and the GPIO pin are 5 for D1 pin, 4 for D2 pin and 0 for D3 pin. Our data streams are created. Now in the web dashboard we don't have any component to control the RGB LED, so we are not going to add any component here. We will just click save. Our data stream is our template is created, and now we will add a device. So click on search and then click on new device. Click from template and then from template choose the template as RGB and then click on create. Your device is created, and this is the token, the template ID and the name. So our device and the template is created. Now we will do the mobile configuration. Changing the color of the RGB LED mobile configuration. First of all, open the Blynk app. So as you can see in the Blynk app, we can see the RGB template. Click on the template, then click on the setting, and then click on the plus symbol, and then from here select the zebra. Now click on the zebra and add the data stream. For red, select the red. For green data stream, select the green, and for the blue data stream, select the blue. Then go back. As you can see the zebra on the RGB template. Now we can control the LED from the mobile application. Thank you. Coding for changing the color of RGB LED. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. Here first we will include the libraries. First we will include the Blynk library. Then we will include this ESP library, and then we will include the library to connect the Blynk with the NodeMCU, and then we will give the token required for the device. This token we will get from the Blynk website. So open Blynk, click on the device which you are using. Here we are using the RGB. So here click on device info and copy the token and then paste it on the code here. Then we have created three variables of character type: auth, where we will store the token; SSID, where we will store the Wi-Fi name; and pass, where we will store our Wi-Fi password. And then in the void setup, we are going to declare the pins as the output pin, as output mode. So here we are using the pin mode function, and here in the pin number we are giving the GPIO pin. So since the red pin of the RGB is connected to D1, which is equal to GPIO 5, so here we are giving pin as 5 and mode as output. Similarly for D2 pin, that is where the green color pin is connected, the GPIO is 4, so we are giving 4 here, and similarly for D3 we are giving 0 here. Then we are giving blink.begin auth SSID pass blink.cloud, 8t to initialize the Blynk library. In the void loop, we are giving blink.run to run the Blynk library. After that, click on tools. Select the board as NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module and the required port, and your code will be uploaded to the NodeMCU. Output of changing the color of the RGB LED through mobile app. So first of all, open the Blynk IoT, open the RGB template, then we can see the zebra. So if I click here, you can see the color of our LED changed to pink, then it changed to blue, green, and it's turned off. You can see it changed to green, pink, blue. Thank you.